Here I'm using Tinkercad to create a chocolate digestive biscuit. Tinkercad is my go-to for simple designs. The interface is user friendly and the shapes, you just click on them and put them on the bed, and then you can manipulate them quite easily. With this design I started on the top surface. I found a suitable shape to put the dents in the surface, and then I added the lettering. I went into the surface about 1/2 millimetre on both, and both objects were hollow, so they cut out. Once I was happy with the top surface, I turned the biscuit over 180 degrees and I found a shape to manipulate to give a wavy effect to the chocolate that was going on the back. Once I was happy with that, I just grouped it, and that was the finished biscuit, so I exported it and it was ready to go to the printer. I've imported this into Creality K2 and I'm going to be printing this on my K2 Plus. Now in this I'm colouring it, but you could use a single colour printer and just pause the print and switch the filament if you wanted to. I added a biscuit with a bite taken out of it for the novelty factor, and I did that again in Tinkercad. I'm going to be releasing this model free to use, so if you want to try it out, I shall be uploading it to Creality Cloud, Cults and Thingiverse, and I shall also put the links in the comments. Here I'm just using the paint function in Creality K2 to set the depth of the chocolate on the biscuit. I tried out a few filaments to try and get the colour to match a biscuit, and in the end I found that gold actually matched it best, and I just used a dark brown matte for the chocolate. I designed a simple holder for these. I also designed this in Tinkercad, and I coloured it brown. I mean, you can make it whatever colour you want. And these are the biscuits printed on my K2 Plus. To print 6 biscuits takes around 3 hours. And that's the finished biscuits. I was quite pleased with them. I think they look quite realistic. And here they are all finished with the holder. As I say, I'm releasing these free and I'll put the links in the comments. If you like the video, a like and subscribe is always most appreciated, and thank you for watching.